Canada is a large and multicultural country known for its welcoming people, rich tradition, and two official languages, English and French. Its cities blend modern life with strong cultural heritage, while its vast landscapes highlight the country's deep connection to nature. From snowy mountains to peaceful forests, Canada offers many breathtaking sights. And among all these natural treasures, one of the most iconic is Niagara Falls, a stunning waterfalls that attract millions of visitors each year.
Did you know that Canada is home to so many incredible natural wonders? From the majestic Rocky Mountains, the turquoise water of Lake Louise, and the breathtaking Banff National Park, to the stunning northern lights up north in Yukon. Canada truly has it all, including some of the world's most beautiful scenery and iconic landmarks. It's no surprise that a lot of Canadians consider Niagara Falls one of their favorite places in the country. And in this video, we are going to take a closer look at its origins. The origin of Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls formed more than 12,000 years ago at the end of the Pleistocene Ice Age. As part of the Niagara River system, the falls are made up of three main sections: the American Falls, the Horseshoe Falls on the Canadian side, and the Bridal Veil Falls. This entire area has become a major tourism center in Ontario, attracting millions of visitors every year. Over thousands of years, glacial movement and natural erosion caused by water flowing from Lake Erie toward Lake Ontario gradually shaped the magnificent waterfall we recognize today, stretching across several kilometers of stunning landscape.
The name Niagara comes from the Iroquois language, the indigenous people who lived in the region around the waterfall. There are several different myths about its origin. An Iroquois legend says that the word Ongwira means the waterfall or the great sound, referring to the loud roar heard from far away. There is also a more romantic legend that tells of a young woman who leapt into the falls to join her lover who had died in war. In this legend, she throws herself into the waterfall to become one with nature and reunite with her lost love.
Next, I want to talk about the Daredevil story facing danger at Niagara. Niagara's got quite a history with daredevils. Since way back in 19th century, folks have been trying all sorts of wild stunts to take on the falls. Flying over in a canoe, riding in a barrel, even walking across on the tightrope, One of the biggest stories is Annie Eaton Tyler. She was a widow teacher who went over the falls in a wooden barrel in 1901, and she made it out alive, believe it or not. She was hoping to get rich from it, but things didn't really work out the way she had hoped. Poor thing. Then in 1951, leader Roger Woodward, just 7 years, ended up going over the falls, no safety gear at all. And somehow, he survived the whole thing, just got carried through the current and pulled out. It's one of those stories Canadians still talk about today. Kinda scary, kinda unbelievable.
Okay, now I'm going to talk about mythology and the power of nature. When you look about the world and all the different cultures out there, waterfalls are usually seen as powerful symbols of nature's strength, change, and spiritual cleansing. It's a real beauty, eh? Pretty unreal for sure. And in ancient Greek stories, waterfalls are often linked to water deities like the Naiads. They're basically water nymphs that hang around the rivers and flowing springs. They're believed to keep the water running smooth and the land around it nice and fertile. That's pretty decent magic, if you ask me, And now, especially here in the Niagara region, many First Nation people see the falls as a sacred place, absolutely packed with the spiritual energy. They truly believe that the spirit gathers there, whether it brings a blessing or a bit of bad luck. It all comes down to how people treat the land. That's just how it is here in Canada. Respect nature and it will respect you right back.
Now, let's talk about the natural wonders and breathtaking beauty of Niagara Falls. Even though many stories and myths have grown around Niagara Falls, its natural beauty still impresses every visitor. Every year, more than 12 million people come to Niagara Falls to see this incredible natural wonder. The falls are not only beautiful to look at, but they also make a loud, powerful sound that many people describe as a spiritual experience when you stand close to them. At night, Niagara Falls is lit up with colorful light, creating an amazing and breathtaking view. This has become a special attraction, adding a magical and almost mystical feeling to the falls. During the winter, the falls partly freeze, creating stunning ice formations that cover the area in a quiet, peaceful, and almost mysterious atmosphere.
Did you know, guys, that Niagara is a source of hydropower? Beyond its remarkable natural beauty, Niagara Falls holds exceptional economic and environmental value for communities across Canada. For well over a century, Canadians have relied on the sheer power of the falls to generate clean and dependable hydro, which remains one of the country's most trusted energy sources. The fast-moving water of the Niagara River is carefully channeled through a network of hydro stations, where it turns massive turbines that convert the natural force of the river into electricity used across the province. On the Canadian side, facilities operated by Ontario Power Generation supply hydro to neighborhoods, public services, and industries throughout Ontario. These stations form a major part of the provincial grid, helping ensure that homes stay warm during long winters and the essential services continue operating smoothly. Across the border, New York State also relies heavily on hydropower from the same river system, creating a long-standing cross-border partnership rooted in shared environmental stewardship. For many Canadians, hydropower is more than just an energy source. It reflects the country's commitment to sustainability, clean technology, and responsible resource management. By prioritizing hydro over fossil fuels, Canada reduces greenhouse gas emissions while maintaining a stable year-round energy supply. In this way, Niagara Falls stands not only as an iconic landmark, but also as a vital resource that strengthens communities, supports daily life, and embodies the values Canadians take pride in. And then, wait. Sorry. Can you continue my video? I will go to the washroom.
Okay.
And now, move to the popular culture in Niagara. Niagara Falls is always such a treat for anyone who loves nature. Its breathtaking beauty and crazy popular have inspired all sorts of art, movies, and writing. Take the 1953 Niagara starring Marilyn Monroe. The falls really add a lot of drama to the story. Poets and writers have also been totally wowed by Niagara. often weaving its awe-inspiring presence into reflecting and romantic poetry. Honestly, Niagara isn't just some natural wonder, it's a source of inspiration that keeps sparking creativity for Canadians and visitors from all over.